Assalamualaikum guys. Today I will show you how to record a screen through VLC media player. So we can use VLC media player as a screen recorder. So let's start a quick tutorial. First we open a VLC media player. Then first of all you will go to the tab view and select advanced controls. When you select advanced controls, then this button will appear here. After that, go to the media tab and then go to convert save. After that, go to capture device tab and capture mode, select desktop, and here you can select frames per second that you want to record. In my case I will select 30 frames per second. After that, convert and save. Now you will select a destination folder where VLC media player saved your file. Select here, so I will save it on desktop and name it as ABC. Save and start. As you see, screen recording started. Now we will minimize it and I'm going to refresh 3 or 4 times, and now we will, this is the button that shows that VLC media player is recording. Now we will stop this recording and we will see the folder where our file is located. So I save it on a desktop. So this is a ABC file. Now we will play it, either VLC media player record it or not. You can see that it's recorded. Thanks guys for watching video.